Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to one of my videos. You guys know it's me, Darian. And today, we are not doing a next reaction video. We are doing a snack taste test video. As you can see, as the description below. So, I got some snacks today and some of them I know them and some I don't. So, I want to be comparing them and see which one I like better. So, I should start. I am going to start off with an easy one. I'll probably hear about it. Push pop. Go. So, and it's open. It's a blue push pop. It like to look like a purple push pop, but it's blue. As you guys know, some of you guys probably know, it's a common snack in Trinidad. This is one of my favorites. Anywhere I go, I just buy it. So that was the first snack for the night. Watch it in my 10 on blue. It's a little blue. Bluey. If you tell me what it's on when I mean blue. So yeah. And let's see, what should I go next? The easy snack. I have 2 granola bars. 2 granola bars. It's from the same company, but it's different. This one has chocolates, and this one have almonds and I'm not sure about this next one. I think it's a pomegranate or but we just got anar. Yeah. So I got 2, and I want to compare them. Okay, I was just confirmed it is a cranberry. It is a cranberry. To me, it don't look like a cranberry because I probably didn't see one before, and that is facts. So let's open this up. Let's open this up now. Let's open it now. This one feels more harder for some reason. I open it, we will see. But if you guys could feel this, it's soft. But let's take a bite. lot of the cranberry. But I would prefer the chocolate. I don't really like the cranberry. I would prefer eat the chocolate. Let me reach and grab another snack. We have some honey crackers. And we are gonna try it out. And I want to see if it really tastes like honey, because it says have honey, and the best thing is honey. I now open it. What how nice that looking. I could eat that just so. Okay, look, like a standard normal cracker. Where you will buy on a Monday when you're coming home from school. I really like crackers, but this is my favorite. It actually tastes in the honey. The honey in this isn't really good. Listen. No, you can't listen how it is. Here. How crunchy this is. The chocolate granola bar, I would give that like a 6, because 6.5, because you don't really taste any chocolate. If you could, I think the chocolate, I would give it a straight 10 out of 10. And the cranberry, I'll give it a 5, because I don't like cranberries. So now we have one more before the last snack. One more. We have some green mango. You can find this in Trinidad. And Tobago. It's a local snack. And if you don't want the preserved one, you can make your own mango shop at home. So yeah, this is Kay's mango chow. So let's open this up. Okay, I got it open. If you can smell it, it smells really nice. But we have one more. I say with the best full eyes. I hope it's the best. Right? So let's taste it. I know how it tastes. It's been a while since I ate green mango, so I want to give my honest opinion. My phone now died on me. Sorry about, but now I can start back recording. I am using my sister's phone. I'm using it. So yeah, let's get into this green mango. As I said before, it is smelling really hot. You could literally see chili flakes on it. There's chili flakes. Let me take a taste. Hey guys, no, I thought it's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's feeling like a new flavor, taste, and now tasting for the first time. But I used to buy this every day from school. This is so good, but so hot at the same time. I should have never leave this for last. I should have never leave these for last, guys. I heard these are pretty hot. I got this today. It's called hot tamale. Okay, let's see how this is going to be. It even have fire on it. Let me see if I can smell it through the pack. Okay, I can smell it through the pack. Really spicy. Okay, so can you guys hear me? Right. So let me open up these hot tamales. Got one side open. Okay, look inside here. Look how are these looking. Literally. They are red. Red hot. Let me take a handful out. Okay, I got 3 out of the box. Do you want me to push these 3 all at once in my mouth? Watch. Looking like licorice. Looking like licorice. But it's just not. These are really spicy. Smelling spicy. Let me take 1 and then I will do 2. Which one you mango? Never I green mango and then eat a hot tamale. Okay, so I was gonna do 3. I don't need 1. I'm gonna do 2 more, and I'm gonna do these 2 together. Hell no, I am not taking this seat. I got my glass of serum for emergency, and now I think I could use it. Okay, that glass of Coke helped. A little, not much. And one thing, the hot tamale is sticky. When it's showing it, you make it feel like it has glue. Look, it does look like a pill. So if you want to do a prank on a friend, get one of them pill bags, empty pill bags, put some in, and tell your friend, take one, and see if they will take one. Or the next thing you could do is carry one with you to a party, and if they decide to play truth or dare, everyone take one except for you. Tell them to take about 4, 5, because those are really spicy, and I only take 2, and I could handle pepper, a little bit of pepper. So that will be all for today's video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.